I could see a fine guy and just be like, hi. Hi guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, my name is Celine. Welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe before you leave. I will truly and greatly appreciate it. And to my old and returning subscribers, thank you guys so much for always coming back and sticking with me and watching. I truly appreciate you guys. You guys are the real MVPs. Like, you guys don't know what you need to know. You guys are awesome. You guys are amazing. Thank you so much. So anyways, today's video is, first off, before we jump into the video, do you guys like my shirt? Let me stand up. Like, whoop. Excuse the wrapper. I don't know if you guys can see the wrapper, but yo, this shirt is the bomb. Like, the day I bought it, I was like, oh my gosh. One day I'm going to do a Balogun haul. Like, I'm actually just going to go to the market, like, and buy a lot of things and just come and show you guys a haul, because the things you can find in Balogun market are amazing. Anyways, not digressing from the video. Today's video I'm going to be doing the Invade My Privacy Tag. So a lot, in fact, I'm so late on the bandwagon of this tag. Like, so many YouTubers have done it, you know, since last year. A lot of Nigerian YouTubers have done it. So I was like, I actually liked the questions of the tag. They were quite intriguing. So I was like, okay, I'm going to do my own. So anyways, here with me I have 20 questions which I am going to answer as honest and as whatever as I can. So yeah, let's jump right into the question. Question number 1: did you wake up cranky? No, I didn't wake up cranky, although I slept late because I was editing a video that I want to post up tomorrow, which is going to be Wednesday. So I slept like around 3 a.m. but I woke up around like 8:39. So no, I didn't wake up cranky. I woke up okay. Question number 2: would you date an 18-year-old at your current age? Nope. I wouldn't date an 18. Like, I'm almost 30. I'll be 30 in August, so I'm 29 now. So dating an 18-year-old, I think it would make me feel like an auntie. I swear, I would just feel so old. Like, I don't see myself. Maybe a 25-year-old, a 25 or a 24-year-old, I can see myself dating a 25 or a 24-year-old. But anything lower than that, I'm not sure I can date anybody lower than that. I don't know. To just make me feel like one mommy. Anyways, question number 3: do you prefer to be friends with girls or boys? Honestly, I really don't have any preference. I have some girlfriends that I am super tight with, like, and I have male friends that I am super tight with. So honestly, I prefer both gender. Like, I can, although there are some, I have some male friends that, like, in fact, we're like 5 and 6. Like, if I need someone to even advise me on anything, like, I go to them. So I don't know, I guess both genders. I prefer both genders, but I think for keeping secrets, I think guys keep more secrets than girls. Like, you can fist bump a guy and, like, that secret will die with him, like, if you're really cool with the guy. So honestly, anyone. Question 4: would you ever smile at a stranger? I do that a lot. Like, I could just see a fine guy and I'll just be like, it's not only fine guys, so please, people should not misquote me. I could see a fine guy and just be like, hi. I could just be like, no. I'm just joking, please. No, but I do smile at strangers. Sometimes if I see people maybe if the person is looking at me, like if the person is staring at me, I'll just smile back at you, just to make you feel stupid, like why are you staring at me? But yeah, I do occasionally sometimes smile at strangers. Question 5, can you commit to one person? Of course I can commit to one person. It's if I truly love the person and I know that yes, this relationship is going to go somewhere, like I can definitely commit to one person. Question 6, how do you look right now? I look good, don't I? Oh my god, I'm feeling myself. I'm feeling myself. Look at that glow, honey. Please don't mind me. But I think I look good, don't I? Come on, you guys, tell me in the comment section, how do I look right now? I know you say I look good. Job kiss. Question 7, what exactly are you wearing right now? I'm wearing, I don't know what they call these hats. I saw it in the Balogun market and I was like, oh, I have to get this hat, like I like it. I got this shirt too from Balogun market, which is like an African strong woman type vibe I showed you guys earlier on. Then I'm tying a wrapper. I can't be bothered to wear anything down. You guys are only seeing my face and just here, so why am I going to bother? Just tie a wrapper or wear short knicker. Okay. Question 8, how often do you listen to music? I listen to music a lot. Like I listen to music more than I even watch movies or watch TV. So like if I'm just in my room all alone, you know, I could just pretty much listen to a song, you know, just to while away time, you know, or sometimes I could just be in my room dancing to a song. Yeah, so I pretty much listen to music. Even when I'm driving, I love to blast my music like on full blast. I don't know, it just gives me inspiration to drive better, I guess. Okay, so question 9, do you wear jeans or sweats more? I wear sweats more. Like I don't like things that are tight and hugging. Like yeah, I do wear, occasionally I do wear things that are like tight and hugging, but I don't like things that are tight and hugging staying on my body for too long. So 90% of the time I'm wearing baggy clothes and sweats. So yeah. Question 10, do you think your life will change dramatically before 2020? By God's special grace, I believe. We're in what, 2018? So 2020 is just 2 years away. I'm sure that God can do something. Anybody that doesn't believe that their life cannot change dramatically in 2 years, in fact, I don't even know where you are right now. But for me, I believe that my life can change dramatically before 2020. As long as there's God on the throne, anything is possible. So yeah, and with efforts, I know that I'm striving and I'm making efforts to actually make my life better before 2020. So yes, it's possible. Are you an introvert or an extrovert? I would say it depends. In a company of people that I know, I would be definitely an extrovert. Like in fact, sometimes I tend to always be like the life of the party. I'm always like, yeah, what's up? I call myself my own hype man. But when it's like when I'm in a crowd of people that I really don't know, I tend to like just sit and observe. I'm more like an observer when it comes to people that I don't know, because you know I like to just observe people and see how they react, how they interact with people, you know, before I can even think of like opening myself up to actually getting to know these people or putting myself out there. So it depends on the situation I find myself in. Okay, question 12, if the person you like says they like someone else, what would you do? Honestly, I think everybody has experienced this before. Like I have liked a couple of guys and I have been honest with them. Like, you know, I basically put myself out there and I tell them, I like you, but at the end of the day, it just doesn't work out. Sometimes maybe the person just doesn't make a move, or I don't know, to like say hi or whatever. I don't know, Jerry. But if somebody that I like tells me that they like somebody else, I would definitely swallow it and obviously realize that the person has put me in the friend zone. So in as much as it will hurt a lot, I will try and be supportive of the person and help the person get the person that they like. I don't know, I'm just nice like that, which is annoying. Maybe that's why I'm still single. I'm just joking. Anyways, yeah, so definitely if somebody I like tells me that they like somebody else, I have no choice. You can't force love, you can't force somebody to like you, you can't force somebody to date you or anything. So if somebody tells me that, I would definitely try as much as possible to suck up my, I know that I would have told the person, because I'm kind of person I would tell you. If I like you, I would tell you, like, even if I don't tell you bluntly, I would tell you, like, you know, I would give you signals, I would drop hints at you, you know. Then if I'm super bold that day, I will tell you. So, but anyways, I will just help you get the person that you want. I cannot come and force you to like me. Okay, 13. Are you good at hiding your feelings? I think I just answered it in the previous question. No, I'm not good at hiding my feelings. If I like you, I will tell you. Like, even if I don't tell you directly, I will drop hints. So yeah, I'm not good at hiding my feelings. I remember those days in secondary school when I used to like a guy. I used to have this diary. I was writing my diary, you know. Oh, today he was looking so nice. Oh my God, he's women, Jesus. Oh my God, he smelled so good. Oh my God, he smiled at me today. Kai. Oh. Then the diary was my best friend, but now, man, nigga, I like you. You don't. I'm just joking, please. I'm high on myself. Okay, question 14. Can you drive a stick shift? I think a stick shift is a manual car, right? If I'm not mistaken, a stick shift is a manual car. I started off learning with a manual car, but I didn't really practice so much with a manual car. Most of the cars I've driven after driving school have been automatic. So I think I would still be able to drive a stick shift, but not as good as, you know, somebody who has been practicing with it. So yeah. Do you care? Question 15. Do you care if people talk badly about you? Honestly, I really don't care, because whether you do good or whether you don't do good, there will still be people in this life that will talk bad about you. So you might as well just live your life. Whatever they want to say, they are free to say it. You are you, I am me. Live your life, let me live mine. Say what you want to say. It's not going to remove any hair from my head. It's not going to change anything in my life. So 16. Are you going out of town soon? Yeah, probably soon. Out of town, like within Nigeria, out of Lagos, probably pretty soon. I have a couple of things I'm planning, plus one of my male best friends is getting married soon, so we might be doing another state wedding and out of Lagos wedding. So yeah, I will be traveling soon, so a couple of things planned, so that will take me out of Lagos. So yeah. 17. When was the last time you cried? I think that was on, I don't know, when you say cry, do you mean like emotional cry or just cry? I think the last time I cried, what movie was I watching? I can't remember the movie I was watching, but the last time I cried was a movie I was watching. If I remember, I'll tell you, but honestly I can't remember the movie I was watching. So question 18. Have you ever liked someone you didn't expect to? Of course now. If you tell me that you have never liked anybody that you expected to, slap yourself, because I know you are lying. That's a lie from the pit of hell. Not from the pit of hell, but that's a lie. Anyways, I've liked a couple of people that I did not expect to. Like, you know, this kind of thing when you see someone who's like, I can't like this guy even. But at the end of the day, the person's personality just shines through, and you're like smitten. You're like, it's not about the looks now, but it's just about the person's personality. There's just something, there's this vibe that the person gives you that you're just drawn to, you're just attracted to. So yeah, I have been attracted, or I have liked people that I didn't expect to like. In fact, there's sometimes when you just this boy is a player, this one, no, I got this guy, before you start liking the person. Women, that's how we are. Question 19. If you could change your eye color, would you, and what would it be? If I could change my eye color, I would definitely. I even wear contacts. But if I could change my eye color, I think it would be gray. Like right now, I have blue contacts on, but I'm always on my gray contacts. Like I prefer grays to blue, but I just wanted something, a different color. so I went for blues. But if I would have to change my eye color, I think I would change my eye color to gray. Yeah. And last but not the least, the final question: name something you have to do tomorrow. Tomorrow I have an event. Tomorrow is the Black Opal Nigeria launch. Tomorrow, Wednesday the 7th. Today is Tuesday the 6th, so tomorrow is Wednesday the 7th. I have the Black Opal launch Nigeria. I got an invite to their launch, so I will be going for that event tomorrow. So yeah, that's the major thing I'm going to be doing tomorrow. Anyways guys, I hope this video wasn't too long. This is my Invade My Privacy tag. I'm just going to put a list of people I'm going to be tagging. So ladies, your names are going to be right here, so please oblige me and do this tag. I would greatly appreciate it. Let's hear your answers to these questions. I'm going to put all the questions in my description box, so it's easier for you to just, you know, get the questions and answer them on your channels. All right guys, thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And please, if you're new and you're watching this, don't forget to subscribe. Please, can you see my cuteness? Please subscribe. I would greatly appreciate it if you do. And yeah, until my next video guys, stay blessed and stay beautiful, and I'll see you guys later. Bye. Mwah.